Hey guys, Pete from Leisure Time here. We're working on a brand new Martinique, Caldera Martinique 2022, and the customer's hooking up the electrical, thrown into the tub, and accidentally broke off one of these little air bleeder nipples coming off of the plumbing there. That's what it looks like. The old one's broken off, and this is going to be the new one that we're going to put in. First thing that we're going to want to do is drill out the old hole so that we can glue the new one in. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit. Try and center it in the hole as best as possible. Want to try and drill that nice and easy. You don't want to rush things. Just take your time. And then I'm going to go in there with my knife and just kind of clean off any little burrs that are on the surface of that. And then I'm just going to do a quick little test fit with it and put it in there. Okay, 1/4 inch was still a little bit too small, so we're going to go one size up from that. 5/16 is looking like it's a little bit too big, but I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is actually take this stick here and just drill a hole into the stick, and then I can test fit the little nipple into there. Yeah, so that's the size we're going to want to use. It does feel a little bit wobbly. However, we're going to be putting glue on it, and that's going to fill in some of those gaps. Drill that again. Okay, so now that we have our new hole drilled, next step is we're going to take some of this DevCon plastic welder and put a little bit here on the stick. I actually don't need too much in order to do this job. Now you can also use PVC glue and primer to put that on. However, I really like this stuff because it is pliable to begin with, and then when it dries, it is as hard as PVC itself. It is some really great stuff. And so with this brand new tub, I wanted to make sure we have a good seal on this nipple. So we're just gonna put quite a bit on there. Like I said, that nipple's kind of wobbly inside the hole, so we also want to make sure we have enough on there that's gonna fill in our gaps. And we can even put that in, and we can kind of spin it around a little bit. Since we have plenty of glue here, I'll get a little dab on my finger and just kind of work it in there around, just making sure we're filling in all of the gaps. Now, typically in the summertime, this stuff takes 5, maybe 10 minutes to set up, and it's pretty solid. However, in the wintertime where it's colder, it takes a little bit longer to do that, so I got a heat gun. Stay back about a foot or so, 6-8 inches. And kind of move it around in different positions. Okay, so the glue has set up nice and solid right here. Last thing we're going to do is just reconnect the hose to the bleeder nipple, and I'm going to use the heat gun to warm that up. Alright, there it is.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for future content from Leisure Time Inc.